villa or apartment? Why choose one when you have best of both? Introducing Asset Codename Paradise, our newest destination for development in Hennur. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Asset Codename Paradise, a project developed by Asset Group located in Hennur, North Bangalore. Well, we are here on the actual site of the project, so let me show you the surrounding of our site. Right now I'm standing just opposite to the land parcel and just behind me is the land parcel of our project, that is the main entrance. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here itself and goes up to 20 plus acres. The marketing office of our site is getting ready inside. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, about super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So stay tuned until the end. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about our project overview where Codename Paradise is spread across 8 acres of land parcel with total 188 villaments. All the villaments will be 4 BHKs. When it comes to location, our newly development is located off Hennur Road in Chikkagobbe, Hennur, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where I'm standing just opposite to the main entrance. So the main entrance will be coming up right back side of me. And this is the Chikkagobbe main road, where this road on the left hand side will take you towards Hennur main road and the opposite side will connect you towards Chikkasandra. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. Decathlon is 2.8 kilometers away. Bhartiya Mall of Bangalore is 2.9 kilometers from our project. And Thanisandra main road, that is 3.7 kilometers away from our project. Let's discuss about the amenities part. So amenities is the interesting part on this project. We'll be getting world-class luxurious amenities like of a grand clubhouse, multi-purpose court, a landscape garden, kids play area, swimming pool and many more. If you're one of them who is looking to buy a home in Bangalore, then I would like to suggest you one thing. As Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers, where many home buyers don't exactly know what their true rights are. For example, if you book a home by paying a token amount and later on cancel your booking, you're in this situation how much amount is deducted from the builder's end. Or else, even after possession, there is any construction related issue happening in your project. Is builder liable for the same or not on the situation? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our video. That is in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go and watch it out once. Coming to the super built up area, so Asset Codename Paradise will be consisting total of 188 villaments, where there will be 4 BHK villaments starting from 30 to 59 square feet and goes up to 3944 square feet super built up area. Coming to the booking process, and currently our project is in EOI stage, that is in pre-launch stage. So our EOI window, that is expression of interest window, is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Asset Codename Paradise located in Hennur, North Bangalore, a project developed by Asset Group. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.